A former social worker is charged with falsely accusing an Aurora City councilwoman of sexually abusing her son and then lying about a brain cancer diagnosis to avoid going to trial.
Her former attorneys quit today. Now Robin Niceta will be heading to trial in August, and Kevin Vaughn from our 9 Wants to Know team was in the courtroom this afternoon breaking down all the drama.
A judge ordered Robin Niceta to appear in court this afternoon in person. And after she got inside, Judge David Carpel made it clear he was not happy. Niceta is accused of making an anonymous call to the Department of Human Services last year and reporting that Aurora City Councilwoman Danielle Jurinsky had sexually abused her son. That investigation found Jurinsky did nothing wrong, and the call was traced to Niceta. At the time, she was the partner of former Aurora Police Chief Vanessa Wilson. Niceta faces charges of attempting to influence a public official and falsely reporting child abuse. Now she's accused of faking a brain cancer diagnosis. That led her attorneys to ask for an evaluation to determine whether she was competent to stand trial. But after prosecutors discovered the MRI images filed with the court could be found on the internet, and that the clinic and the doctor in her supposed medical records apparently don't exist, her attorneys walked away from the case. Then her new lawyer said he would drop the effort to have her evaluated and go ahead with her trial set to begin in August. Ms. Niceta, anything you want to say? Niceta left court without commenting, but Jurinsky had plenty to say.
I have no medical background. I'm not a doctor. I walked out of the last court date. I walked right over to you, I believe, and looked right at your camera, and I said, she's a liar. She is a liar. Not only is she a liar, she's an actress.
It is possible that Niceta could face additional criminal charges as a result of this assertion that she was terminally ill. Tom and Kim?
Well, it seems like it would make sense that she might make that claim to avoid trial, or thinking she could avoid trial. Is that what's behind this?
A lot of the documents related to her medical records are still sealed, but the judge said today if she had gone to a competency hearing and had been found incompetent to proceed, one likely outcome is that the case would have been dismissed. And I think that brought forth the gravity the court felt when they called this case today and made her come in person instead of appearing virtually.
Okay, thank you. More to follow on that one, Kevin. Thank you.